all of them will be connected by optical fiber.
Lakadong turmeric of Meghalaya, which has a niche market, now has acquired the prestigious Geographical Indication GI tag. The Registrar of Geographical Indication GI Chennai awarded the GI to Lakadong turmeric on November 29. This recognition is a milestone for both the state and the Lakadong village, acknowledging them as the source of the world's best turmeric. Known as a magical healing spice, Lakadong turmeric boasts of remarkable antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Meghalaya's Chief Minister, Conrad Sangma, congratulated the farmers, highlighting the journey that commenced 4 years ago, with only 1,000 farmers cultivating this magical spice.
For GI tagging, as I said, we've just got for Lakadong. We are trying to ensure that all of these backlogs, I should say, or things should have been done some time back. We had started the process, as I said, for Lakadong turmeric about 4 years back. And we're very happy that now the Lakadong turmeric has a GI tag, and which makes it now unique, which means that it is specific to our region. The value of the product goes up, and it helps us in overall marketing the product at a global level.